Got the little first bit out of the way. We're heading up to a place called Montcorbison. Montcorbison. It's saying, well, down there it said it was 2 hours 40 to the top, but I was thinking it's only 3 kilometers up there. We're at another sign now and it says 1 hour. So, and we've come round quite a steep bit, so in about 20 minutes. So it's definitely not 2 hours and 40 minutes. However, it is quite challenging because it is a very, very steep incline, which I'm kind of ready to walk up now. I might even not see you until I get to the top, just because I'll be so out of breath, and just keeping concentrating on my feet of where I'm going, because it is a very steep climb. Beautiful day for it, not a cloud in the sky again. So got the old factor 30 on today. It's about 20. It's going to get about 26 degrees, so pretty warm. But at the top, hopefully, there's a bit of a wind, and then we can cool down a little bit. And then it's all downhill on the way back, which we're not coming back the same way we came, but it's like a loop round. Here we go. See you at the top. Blueberries, delicious. Oh. Mm.